Hello everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In today's video, I will talk about what is the best house direction in North, South, West, and East in period 8. In the Feng Shui 罗盘 compass, there are 6 best directions for wealth luck in North, South, West, and East in period 8. If your house is sitting south facing north, the best direction for wealth is sitting 丙 and facing 刃. If your house is sitting north and facing south, there are 2 directions that are good for wealth. One is sitting 子 facing 午. The other one is sitting 贵 facing 丁. If your house is sitting east facing west, there are also 2 good directions for wealth. One is sitting 卯 facing 酉. The other one is sitting 乙 facing 辛. And if your house is sitting west facing east, then there's only one good direction, and that is sitting 庚 facing 甲. Did you notice what's common in the 6 different charts? Yes, in each chart, there's a double 8 star in the facing direction. In period 8, number 8 star is the most auspicious star. We call this 双八道相, meaning double 8 star in the facing direction. This type of house is considered the best for wealth and prosperity in period 8. However, there are preconditions. To attract wealth, the front door must be in the direction of the double 8 star so that wealth luck can enter into the house through the front door. But there are some cases where the front entrance is opened on the side of the house rather than the house's facing direction. If that's the case, it's a pity that fortune could not enter the house through the front door. So it's important to remember that fortune will only fly into your house if there's a double 8 star in the facing direction, and in the facing direction there is a front door. In addition to the internal feng shui layout, the external feng shui environment of a house is also very important. To attract wealth luck, there should be an open space in front of your house. In Feng Shui, the open space is called 明堂, and it's a place to help you gathering wealth. Without the open space, money could not stay around the house. Because number 8 star is the most auspicious star in period 8, number 8 star likes to see water, road, fountain, or fish pond in front of the house because they can help attracting more wealth luck. There should not be shaqi or attacking energy in your front entrance, such as the sharp corner of your neighbor's house pointing towards your front door, or a tall tree blocking your front view. This negative energy prevents wealth luck entering your house. And finally, there should be houses or trees on both sides of your house, which is the green dragon and white tiger layout. If your house is isolated and there's nothing on either side of your house, then wealth energy would not stay around your house and could easily flow away. Although the double 8 star in the facing direction is the best layout for wealth, it's not the best for health. However, there is an exception. If the double 8 star is in your facing direction and there's a front door, standing at your front door, if there's a water in front of your house, and on the other side of the water, if you can see mountains, this is considered good feng shui for both your health and wealth. Similarly, if double 8 star is in the facing direction and your main door is also in that direction, if there's a road in front of your house and on the other side of the road there's a tall building, then this is also considered good feng shui. This is because the sitting star, which is the one on the left-hand side, likes to see tall mountains or tall buildings. The facing star is the one on the right-hand side, which likes to see water or road. By considering internal and external Feng Shui layout, this type of house is the best in period 8 for both health and wealth. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to get notified on my latest videos.